The ENEACRO SDS-Max Rotary Hammer is equipped with a robust 13 ampere motor that provides an impressive 9 foot-pounds of impact energy, making it perfect for tackling tough materials like concrete and masonry with ease. This versatile tool offers 3 distinct functions, allowing users to switch between hammer-only, hammer drill, and adjustable chisel modes, thereby accommodating a variety of tasks efficiently. Designed with user safety in mind, the rotary hammer includes a safety clutch to prevent kickback and a dual-layer anti-vibration system that significantly reduces hand strain during operation. With a maximum drilling diameter of 1.57 inches, this rotary hammer is capable of handling thick concrete effortlessly, while its manageable weight ensures it remains easy to control. The ENEACRO SDS-Max Rotary Hammer comes as part of a comprehensive kit that includes essential accessories such as a drill bit, chisel, auxiliary handle, and a tool bag, providing everything needed to get started. This tool is a valuable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering power, precision, and reliability to enhance work efficiency and productivity.